human physiological limits. Actually, SR-72 was developed as a UAV from the beginning with a target speed of Mach 6. Plus, global hypersonic race, China's WG-8 and Russia's MiC-41. The move to drones like SR-72 is not only a US trend, but also pursued by other powers.
In the fierce hypersonic race, China with WG-8 has proven its capabilities. Publicly launched at the 2019 parade in Beijing, J-8 is a hypersonic UAV developed by Aviation Industry Corporation of China, designed for strategic reconnaissance. WG-8 operates at an altitude of 50,000 meters with an estimated speed of Mach BA to Mach 5. Does not take off on its own. It is launched from an H-6M bomber. Uses a rocket engine to achieve altitude and speed. Equipped with synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical sensors, WG-8 can collect 10 data, real-time intelligence, support anti-ship missiles such as DF-21, DN, DF-26, strengthen China's anti-access strategy in the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. 2023 leaked documents show WG-8 deployed at Liaoan Base, aims at Taiwan, and U.S. bases in Japan, Korea. Compared to SR-72, WG-8 has lower speed and depends on mothership, but early deployment shows China's ambition to compete with US-Russia. Meanwhile is betting on Mike-41, also known as PAKDB, a sixth-generation supersonic interceptor developed by Mikoyan Mike-2, replace Chomike-31 Fort Howard, with expected speed exceeding Mach 4.BA, can reach Mach 5. Mach 41 is designed to operate at altitudes near space from 12 to 45 kilometers, enough to intercept supersonic aircraft such as SR-72 missile or even satellite. Armed with long-range missiles, advanced phased array radar, and multi-layer stealth, Mike-41 is Russia's answer to U.S. new-generation platforms like B-21 Raider or SR-72. However, unlike SR-72 and WG-8, Mike-41 is still a manned aircraft, poses major pilot safety challenges at hypersonic speeds. Russia also faces financial and technological constraints, making PIK-41 progress likely to be slower, with test flights expected by the end of the decade. Rockstar is not just an impressive fictional machine, but also a reflection of Loki's ambitions. Martin with SR-72. While the US leads with technologies like scandium ceramic composite and liquid hydrogen cooling, China and Russia are also making headway with WG-8 and Mike-41. This race is not just about speed, but also about power. Force, the foundation like SD-72, WG-8, or Mike-41 can shape the conflicts of the future. Scotland repeatedly teased, speaking about BAD printing, integrated cooling channels in materials, graphic illustration at the conference, interactive transfer around Darkstar, speed of digital transformation, heat-resistant engine, hypersonic race, US, China, Russia, China Z-10. WG-8 by flaunting immature technology, Mike-41 by ambition, but finance and pilot safety are weaknesses. US, SR-71, degree, SR-72 by pioneering to overcome technological limits, hypersonic UAV combination, inheritance from the legendary Blackbird, now transformed into Sun SR-72. Will SR-72 become the card to change the global balance of power, or will the hypersonic races themselves ignite for a new era, conflict? If you find this video valuable, useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts below. I'm Hi. See you in the next video.